In today's digital economy, flipping digital products has emerged as a highly profitable venture for savvy entrepreneurs. Unlike physical products, digital goods have the advantage of being easily replicable and scalable, allowing for significant returns with relatively low overhead. As the market for digital products continues to expand, understanding which types of products offer the greatest potential for profit can give you a substantial edge. Flipping digital products involves purchasing or acquiring rights to a product and then reselling it at a higher price. This can be a lucrative business model because digital products, once created, can be sold an infinite number of times without the need for additional production costs. This scalability is what makes digital product flipping so appealing. The cost of producing additional units is negligible compared to the potential revenue. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-fledged business, identifying the right digital products to flip is crucial. Some products have inherent value due to their popularity, market demand, or the uniqueness of their content. Others can be enhanced or repackaged to appeal to specific niches, increasing their market value. Ebooks. Ebooks are a popular digital product that offers considerable profit potential. With the growth of self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Smashwords, creating and selling ebooks has become more accessible. The appeal of ebooks lies in their low production costs and high scalability. Once an ebook is written and formatted, it can be sold an unlimited number of times without incurring additional production costs. To successfully flip ebooks for profit, start by identifying titles or topics with high demand but low supply. Research trends in various niches such as self-help, finance, technology, or health to find topics that are currently popular. Platforms like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers can provide insights into what readers are interested in. Additionally, consider purchasing the rights to existing ebooks that have a strong sales history but may benefit from a fresh perspective or updated content. After acquiring the rights, you can enhance the ebook's value by rebranding it, updating the content, or adding supplementary materials. For example, adding a new chapter, creating a workbook or guide to accompany the ebook, or incorporating current trends can make the product more appealing to buyers. Bundling multiple ebooks into a comprehensive package can also increase its perceived value and attract more customers. Marketing is crucial to the success of ebook flipping. Utilize platforms like social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your ebooks. Creating a compelling sales page and leveraging reviews and testimonials can help build credibility and drive sales. By focusing on high-demand niches and effective marketing strategies, you can maximize your ebook flipping profits. Online courses. The online education sector has experienced explosive growth, making online courses a highly profitable digital product to flip. Online courses cater to various audiences, from individuals seeking personal development to professionals looking to enhance their skills. The value of online courses lies in their ability to provide specialized knowledge and training, often commanding higher prices compared to other digital products. To flip online courses successfully, start by identifying courses with strong content but potential for improvement. Look for courses that have a solid foundation but may need updates, additional modules, or supplementary resources. For instance, a course on digital marketing might require updates to cover the latest trends and tools. By enhancing the course content and adding valuable resources like worksheets, quizzes, or case studies, you can increase its appeal and value. Exploring emerging niches and trends can also provide opportunities for profitable course flipping. Courses on new technologies, industry-specific skills, or personal development topics are often in high demand. Consider creating or acquiring courses that address these growing areas. Additionally, partnering with industry experts or educators to develop exclusive content can help differentiate your courses and attract a larger audience. Effective marketing is essential for selling online courses. Utilize platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website to reach potential customers. Implement strategies such as email campaigns, social media promotions, and webinars to generate interest and drive sales. Offering discounts or limited time promotions can also incentivize purchases and boost course enrollment. Software and apps. Software and apps represent one of the most dynamic areas in the digital product market, with significant potential for flipping. The continuous advancement of technology creates a constant demand for innovative and user-friendly software solutions. Flipping software and apps involves acquiring existing programs, updating or enhancing them, and reselling them for profit. To flip software and apps successfully, start by identifying programs with a strong user base or those that solve common problems but may require improvements. Look for opportunities to update the software, add new features, or improve its user interface. For example, a project management app might benefit from integrations with popular productivity tools or additional features to streamline workflows. Consider acquiring software licenses or partnering with developers to create customized versions of popular apps. Offering unique features or additional support can help differentiate your product and increase its value. Additionally, focusing on emerging markets or industries with high growth potential can provide lucrative opportunities for software flipping. Effective marketing is essential for selling online courses. Utilize platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website to reach potential customers. Implement strategies such as email campaigns, social media promotions, and webinars to generate interest and drive sales. Offering discounts or limited time promotions can also incentivize purchases and boost course enrollment. Digital templates and graphics. Digital templates and graphics are versatile digital products with substantial profit potential. These include a wide range of products such as website templates, social media graphics, presentation templates, and more. The demand for high-quality, customizable designs is driven by businesses, marketers, and content creators who need professional visuals without the time or skills to create them. To flip digital templates and graphics successfully, start by creating or purchasing high-quality designs in popular niches. Focus on areas such as social media marketing, business presentations, or e-commerce websites, where there is a consistent need for professional templates. Ensure that your templates are well-designed, customizable, and compatible with popular software tools. You can also explore opportunities to bundle multiple templates or graphics into a single package to increase their perceived value. For example, offering a bundle of social media graphics along with templates for creating promotional materials can attract more buyers. Additionally, staying on top of design trends and regularly updating your offerings can help maintain a competitive edge in the market. Utilize platforms like Etsy Creative Market or your own website to sell digital templates and graphics. Implement strategies such as SEO optimization, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic and increase sales. Providing excellent customer support and offering customization options can also help attract repeat customers and build a strong reputation. Membership sites. Membership sites are among the most profitable digital products to flip due to their recurring revenue model. A membership site provides exclusive content, resources, or services to subscribers who pay a regular fee, creating a steady stream of income. The appeal of membership sites lies in their ability to generate consistent revenue and build a loyal community of subscribers. To flip a membership site successfully, start by acquiring an existing site with a solid subscriber base and high-quality content. Once you've purchased the site, focus on enhancing its value by adding new content, improving the user experience, or offering additional features. For example, you could introduce new membership tiers, exclusive webinars, or premium resources to increase subscriber engagement and retention. Maintaining ongoing value for subscribers is crucial for the success of a membership site. Regularly update content, provide exclusive benefits, and engage with the community to keep subscribers satisfied and prevent churn. Implement effective marketing strategies such as leveraging social media, email campaigns, and referral programs to attract new members and boost profitability. Additionally, consider offering trial memberships or limited time discounts to attract new subscribers and showcase the value of your site. By focusing on delivering high-quality content and a positive user experience, you can build a thriving membership site with strong growth potential. Conclusion. Flipping digital products offers a unique opportunity to achieve substantial profits in the digital marketplace. From ebooks and online courses to software, digital templates, and membership sites, each type of digital product provides different avenues for generating significant returns. By understanding market demand, investing in high-quality products, and employing effective marketing strategies, you can maximize your success in the digital product flipping business. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay informed about the latest trends and tips in digital product flipping, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. We regularly share expert insights, strategies, and opportunities to help you succeed in the digital marketplace. Sign up today and take the next step toward achieving your financial goals.